Emissions vapor vent solenoid. This solenoid is responsible for letting air in or out of the emissions vapor system, and it's controlled by the computer. So when your vehicle is off and you build up fuel vapors and pressure, this solenoid will open up, allowing vapors to flow out. Or say you build up a vacuum in your vapor system, the computer senses that, it'll open this solenoid again to allow air into the EVAP system. So if you have a bad vapor vent control solenoid, if it's stuck open, it won't see too many problems, but you will probably get bad gas mileage, and you'll smell the fuel fumes smell pretty often. That would be one of the tall tale signs. You come out, you don't see any fuel on the ground, but you smell fuel. That might be because your vapor vent solenoid is stuck open. You should get a check engine light from that too. A stuck closed vapor vent solenoid, you're going to have a lot of problems pumping gas, and you could get an overflowing fuel system as well. So stuck closed, problem pumping gas, you will get a check engine light on. You could also get poor gas mileage because you'll get a lot of fuel vapors into the intake when the purge solenoid opens up eventually. And so bad control solenoid, vent control solenoid can cause a lot of issues. Check out Scotty's Hobbies video library to figure out where yours is at on your vehicle. Like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you on the next hopefully helpful video.